Hey guys, I don't know about you guys, but we got pounded by the rain last night, and while that was very welcome, it was also a little frightening because it was so intense and I could just think about all the animals and people out there without any homes. So wishing my best to those who didn't have the resources that we did. I'm thinking about you today. Other than that, I wanted to talk to you guys about your garden. If yours is anything like mine, you wound up a little bit flooded. And when I designed my garden, which I'm in the process of doing a video on it so you guys can see what I've been doing, I was thinking about the drought we've been having for forever, and I didn't plan grades in. And just to give you an idea, this is the grade that I'm looking at. You can see that my flagstone bed that I put in literally curves into this bed. And it's fine this morning, but all of this was underwater and by a couple inches last night. I'm grateful that it's not today, because if you've watched my videos, you know that your plants need to breathe oxygen through their roots. So just like us, if you put them underwater, with the exception of certain types of plants, they're gonna drown. So I went to bed last night, half panicked that I was gonna have to replant an entire bed. So far, so good. But what I wanted to do is talk to you guys about what you can do if you're in a similar situation. If your plants look at all wilted this morning and they were underwater last night, then go outside, take a stick, if you have an aerator for your garden, and poke holes in that soil so that you can get some oxygen down to those roots, and you might be able to save them. Otherwise, if they're still underwater, I don't know what else to tell you guys. This is why farming is such a high-risk profession. So anyways, I hope that everybody's okay. I hope everybody's safe. I hope that nobody wind up with leaks. I've seen them all over. There was a massive sewer rupture near my house. Pretty gross. So everybody stay safe. Enjoy the extra moisture, I guess, but maybe don't water for a few days. Anyways, take it easy, guys. I'll catch you next time.